You lied to me. Mama, you lied to me. Why?
Auntie, I don't understand what you're talking about.
You told me you don't know that man at the gate.
Auntie, but I don't know him.
Liar. But I heard you addressing him as uncle. Mama, you know him, don't you? Talk to me, I know you know him.
Yes, I do. Auntie, please wait. He said that if I open up, he's going to kill me.
How are you related to him?
He's my uncle, my mom's brother, the last child of my late maternal grandmother.
Hey! Do you know he was working here before you came?
No, ma, I didn't think that he was working here just because of the circumstances that led me here. So, and he told me I shouldn't tell anyone. I'm sorry.
Mama, sit down. Sit. Tell me everything you know about that man. Are you conspiring with him?
No, Auntie. I will tell you everything.
Please, Oga, stop. Stop.
Oga!
Hi.
Oga, why now? Oga, you dey take risk. What are you doing outside by this time of the night? I think saying a thief, now your voice save you. I won't kill you like this.
Hey, I'm sorry, okay? It's just that I couldn't sleep. I just couldn't sleep. I was disturbed, so I had to come out for fresh air.
Oga, as the CSO of this compound, anybody or any shadow I see at night, I kill him. Next time, call me or on your AC. Now risk you this now.
It's okay. I'm sorry for the disturbance, okay? I can see you're really doing your job.
Sorry,
It's okay.
Sorry, sir. I did that a lot.
I can see.
I don't go with my... I caught him in shadow. Sorry, sir. Good night, sir. Mugu. Foreign Mugu. You can never ever catch me. You still dey learn. You know if you catch me. They play.
Sir? Ma? It's about the girl living with us, Ihoma.
Ihoma? What about Ihoma? What has she done?
She has not done anything wrong.
Okay.
It's just that, sir, I don't know your intentions as returning her to her people, or her people wanting her to continue to live here as away from the village. If they still want her to continue to live with us, I want to make a special appeal to you. Can I be allowed to adopt her?
Adopt her?
Sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry I'm presenting it this way. You both know my story as regards to my relationship and marriage, which has both failed. All of them failed. And I've lost chances and hope of childbearing due to my age. I am asking if you can help adopt that girl for me. I swear, I promise to take care of her very well. And I'm ready to release her to go see her parents anytime she wishes to go see them. Even if adopting her will not work, can please go to a motherless baby's home and adopt a girl child for me. I'm not getting any younger. Let me see someone that help me go through this old age. Please.
Okay, there's no problem. Have you spoken with the little girl?
No, I have not, sir. I needed to seek your consent first.
Okay, but you still need to talk with her. Okay, you need to discuss with the little girl. At least let's know her decision on this subject. Okay, that way it will help us. In fact, it will make things easier when discussing with our parents.
Oh, okay, sir.
Auntie Edna,
Yes, ma'am.
you are a wonderful woman. And I wish you all the best. You deserve to have a child that is going to take care of you during old age.
Hey.
I just wish and hope she will accept you.
So I didn't see this one coming up. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, you're such a lucky man. You indeed married a beautiful soul. Look at her. Beautiful in and out. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sir, can I retire to my quarter?
Of course, yes. But for all the sirs you've been calling me, I am deducting 10,000 naira from your salary.
And as for me, I am deducting 15,000 naira from your salary.
Sorry, ma'am.
You're still calling me ma'am?
Oh.
Mary Ann.
Yes, ma'am. Mary Ann.
Okay, you can go now.
Thank you, ma'am.
We are joking.
You're welcome.
Young man, say what you want to say. I don't have all. Don't waste my time.
Relax now, madam. Relax. Every time your blood go dey hot, you dey take something I do, they sleep something. Which one? Relax now. What woman you do?
Don't insult me. I'm not your mate. Don't insult me.
Metusele, I know say we no be mates. Relax. Forget all these ones where you dey form hard woman. Every time you go lock up your face, they form tough woman, hard woman. I don't scan you spiritually. I use my scanner scan you. I see your heart. You be better person. You be better person. So no dey form hard for nothing. I think you get matter with it. That thing where you see. The bedwetting matter now. The issue at hand. The talk of town. It's a disgusting problem, but code it for us.
I shouldn't tell Oga.
Don't tell Oga. Don't even tell Oga's shadow.
And what if I decide to tell him? What will you do?
Are you that wicked? Don't you keep a secret?
When you were maneuvering it and doing all the rubbish with it, what were you thinking?
Don't worry. No worry. I know say you like money. Make I package you. I will give you 500,000.
What?
Keep it a secret.
500k?
Yes, now.
What an insult. Why are you degrading me like that? Eh? Please stop.
Say cook with pride though. 500k no move you. Okay, bye. I want make you keep that secret. I go make a 1 million from you. But no tell Oga what you see.
Do them. I may be a cook, but I am way richer than I can imagine. So I don't need your money. 500, 10 million, go away with your money. I don't need it. I'm not a hungry cook.
So what do you want to do? Hey, what do you want to do? Enemy of progress. You don't have to keep little secret.
If you know what is good for you, you pack your things and leave before Oga. Now that you can pack your things, so pack and leave before Oga comes back. Because when he does, you're on your own. Now I'm saving you. So I have a good heart. Is that good heart I'm using to tell you now? Leave.
Now cook you be.
Go.
Not a farm madam. Now ordinary cook you be. You don't have to do anything. Ordinary secret you can't keep.
You shouldn't be taking back to your people. I know you have missed them so much.
Yes, auntie, I've missed them a lot. I cannot wait to reconnect back with them.
I'm happy for you. So happy for you.
Auntie, I'm really scared. I'm really scared they might take me back to my wicked uncle house. The elder brother to Uncle Dube. I don't know what to do. I just don't want to go back there.
I get your point. And you don't want to go back there, is it?
Yes, auntie.
Can I follow you to your people and tell them henceforth you are in my care? From here. Woman, I have never been lucky in marriage, which is why I don't have a child of my own even until this age. Can it be that child I never had? I'm not asking you to abandon your parents. I promise I'll take care of you as my own. I give you the best life can offer.
Auntie, for now, I don't know what to say.
And I don't want you to say anything yet. I'll give you all the time in the world. I have been looking and dying for an opportunity to fill the gap of a mother in a child's life. Let me be the mother and the father you have here in the city. I will stop you from visiting your parents anytime you wish. Please.
I have gone outside several times at night, for some days now. It's always there.
Nice. So that means he's not the one sneaking out?
No, I don't think so. I feel it's just accusations and assumption. Okay, yes, he might be acting weird, okay? He might be acting stupid sometimes, but come on. He hasn't given me any reason to distrust him. He hasn't done anything whatsoever to distrust him.
But there's something Edna said.
Something like what?
Edna said that Dubem offered her 1 million naira to keep her mouth shut.
What? 1 million naira? To keep quiet on what exactly? Hey, do you know how much you just mentioned now? 1 million naira. Oh, please. Do you know what 1 million naira can do? Where can you get 1 million naira from? Dubem has 1 million naira and is still working for me as a gateman. Please. It's not possible, okay? Enough of this accusation and assumption. Enough of it already.
It's not possible, and seriously, I'm confused. This whole thing is confusing. I don't understand.
My love, there is nothing confusing here, okay? There's nothing confusing as far as I'm concerned. I believe you guys are just seeing things from different perspectives. 1 million naira. Oh, please.
make I sit down with matter. It's a lie you do here. Onye ka nkelere akụ na-atakasị oke nwa n'isi ọwa ọya na amadike onye mbụ Igbo niile ji eme ọnụ ọgaranya ngada odogwu ji ego man of doings. Nah, I greet you gallantly. No, my man, no. I greet you, sir, but I don't know you. Now me now, you forget. Dubai clubhouse. Even here in name. Even in ego. Ego. King of doings. Mark. Ne king of doings. Where kind of king of doings? Sorry, sir. Now NSC. Black label. Jameson. By Azu. Now you now. I know you. Now you now. Oh boy. Now those skinner. Those ski bobo. My brother. Man of doings. Sorry, sir. Okay, Nwa. I don't know you. Brother, if you know to this guy is Eriego, this guy is the biggest man in town.
Chidi, you are mistaking him for someone else. That was the same thing I thought the first time I met him. As a matter of fact, this is Zubby, Fred GATEMAN. Make I tell you today.
God bless you, sir.
This one Adoski now.
Go back to your duty. He's not the one. I thought the same thing the first time I met him. As a Fred now. Fred. I was even arguing with him in his office. I don't know. He's not the one.
You don't foolish yourself, foolish yourself.
When you have to even call him as a doing.
Just see which one you looking for. You move yourself. What okay, guys, go inside. I don't know.
What's what it's like?
Please don't begin.
What is it? Are you sure you're ready for what I'm about to tell you? Are you sure you're ready?
What is it?
By my side. Okay. Marianne, just calm down and tell your handsome husband why you're this happy. But before that, you have to kiss me.
A kiss?
Yes.
I'll do it in my full chest.
Okay. Yay! Yes.
Honey?
Yes.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
It's what you're thinking.
And
with Charles, it's what you're thinking.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What happened to your baby? What's up there?
Just kicked. My baby.
Oh, God, this calls for this calls. I'm going to be father soon. Oh,
You're father.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you.
He's indeed a faithful God.
Yes, he is. And I can't wait to be a mother.
And it will surely fit you so well. You have the body of a mother.
Oh, until now you've started. I just thank God for this beautiful gift. I thank God. I'm so happy.
Yeah. And now that you're about to give him a child, don't you think it's about time?
Auntie Edna, please. Don't spoil this mood. Don't. Allow me to be happy for now. Don't spoil this mood.
They say delay is dangerous. Your husband deserves to know the truth. Hear the truth from the woman he truly loves. It's important you tell him about this. Right? Right.
Okay. I'll tell you. Okay? Today, be mindful the way you enter my room. Stop entering my room anyhow you like. Stop it.
Okay. You've been avoiding me. Why?
I've been avoiding you. As your wife, girlfriend or what? That should be seen around you all the time.
As someone that knows your secret. As someone that knows you bedwet. As someone that has refused to cast you in front of your husband and the general public. Meanwhile, we get doings on Saturday. So I need 1 million naira.
You need 1 million naira for doings?
Yes.
Not really doings. Even mowings. For what? Why will I give you 1 million naira?
Let me ask.
Yes.
The play. No, just the play. Are you giving me the money or not?
Why will I give you? Listen, Dubem, I don't want to see you in my room again. The next time I will see you in this room again, you will not only do your doings in the club, you will do that doings inside the police cell. Don't try me. Don't!
You are asking me, Dubem, to leave your room.
Leave. Get out.
Are you aware that if I cast you, you will lose everything?
I'm aware. I'm aware. Is it not you? Dubem that knows that I bedwet. The Dubem that washes my clothes. The one that washes my wrapper. I know. And I am telling that same Dubem to leave my room. Get out. If not, that doings, you will do it in the police cell. Trust me.
Bye, Awa.
If. Nonsense. You get doings. That doings should kill you there. Nonsense. Ah, what kind of rubbish is this every time you get doings? Will I die because of for you? Will I die for you? You get doings. Let me get you inside this room again. I will not only arrest you, I will break your head. Idiot.
Celebrity GATEMAN. Ibu bakari agar. The baby celebrity GATEMAN. Ibu kwa mawabia. Spending chop money. Celebrity GATEMAN. Onye jego deli. Ibu bakari agar. Akuna takasi number. Celebrity GATEMAN. Oke mwani isyo. Ibu bakari agar. Ohumadi kendi boje. Celebrity GATEMAN. Duski lala. Ibu bakari agar. Chop money, spend Celebrity GATEMAN. Onye jego deli. Ibu bakari agar. Wahala no data ya you. The baby celebrity GATEMAN. Pretender, now you do the voice. I do the chop and kill him out. The baby celebrity GATEMAN. Oh.
Okay. Why is your face like this? What's bothering you? Talk to me, what is it?
I would like to tell you something.
Okay, go ahead. I'm listening.
Just promise me you won't be mad at me, please.
Mad at you? Why? There is nothing you do or say to me that will make me get mad at you. Okay? I mean, why? What for? I can't get mad at the mother of my unborn child. Okay, so feel free to tell me whatever it is. Share it with me. Alright? Go ahead.
I want it.
Say it, honey. Say it.
I want to tell you that I broke your flower vase. I mistakenly broke your flower vase. I'm sorry, it wasn't intentional. I'm so sorry.
Honey, come on.
You're not mad?
Why? I was joking, okay? I was joking, okay? Of course I'm not mad at you. It's something I can replace, so why would I be mad at you? Why? Look, there's no way I will be mad at you for breaking a flower vase. Okay? Alright? So next time, feel free to tell me anything at all that's bothering you. Okay? Always share it with me. Right?
You cannot fight me.
Are we good now?
You cannot kill me. I'm dwelling in the secret place of God. You cannot fight me.
Come on, like
you cannot kill me. I'm dwelling in the secret place of God. This my life. I'm not your This my precious life. I'm not your
I'm scared. I am very scared. The baby's going to tell my husband everything. Can you calm down? Just calm down. You're not going to tell your husband one word. Calm down. I tell you, he's serious. He's very serious. When I told him that I'm not going to give him more money, he told me that he's going to walk straight to my husband and expose me. He said, no, he won't do it. He's very serious. Ma'am, believe me when I tell you, he is not going to utter a word to your husband. Because he will be at the losing end. All hope of exploiting and getting money from you will be lost. And he wouldn't want to experience that. But this is the perfect time to tell your husband yourself.
I've tried. This morning I tried telling him about it, but I was scared. I tried. I couldn't even open my mouth. I couldn't even tell him the truth. I'm scared. I'm going to lose my marriage. I'm going to lose.
Tell him before it's too late. Now you're still in this marriage. Anything you need to do to save this marriage, begin to do it now.
Okay.
Tomorrow may be too late.
Okay. I'm going to lose my marriage.
You're not going to lose your marriage if you tell him the truth.
Okay. I'll try.
You know you're my blood. This money is now yours. And trust me, more will come more. Feel it first now. This is real money. Now tell me, how does it feel to own such a amount?
I feel good, just that I don't know what I did to deserve this amount of money.
Now you are my blood now. I must not have any reason to dash you. But I need a little favor. Just one small favor like this. Take this, add it to the cook's food.
Who?
Edna now. That cook that calls herself Edna or whatever, I don't know. Just put her for her food, the food where you sure say she will chop. You understand?
Why? What will you do to her?
Okay, it's a food supplement. It will nourish her body, and at the same time, it will make her to start respecting me and seeing me as her boss.
But you're not her boss.
I'm not her boss. Like I'm not the owner of the house. But at the same time, I'm a man now. She's supposed to be respecting me. And I'm nothing special. Just add it to her food. Yeah, the food where you don't say she will shop. Yeah. And don't forget, it's between us. Don't tell anybody. Agreement is agreement. Code it, hide it. Give me time.
The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibuba Kariaga. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibuba Mwambia. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna taka si nomba. Oke mwani sio. Ohama dikendi boje mami. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego delie. Wahala no dey tire you. The baby celebrity gets mad. Pretender now you do the worst. You dey chop and kill him out. The baby celebrity gets mad. Oh, gets mad way pass oga. Even madam they fear you so. Makibu kwa mwabi. Ibu bakariara. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna taka si nomba. Oke mwani sio. Ohama dikendi boje mami. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego delie. Celebrity gets mad. Celebrity gets mad. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibuba Kariaga. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibuba Mwambia. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna taka si nomba. Oke mwani sio. Ohama dikendi boje mami. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego delie. Wahala no dey tire you. The baby celebrity gets mad. Pretender now you do the worst. You dey chop and kill him out. The baby celebrity gets mad. Oh, gets mad way pass oga. Even madam they fear you so. Makibu kwa mwabi. Ibu bakariara. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna taka si nomba. Oke mwani sio. Ohama dikendi boje mami. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego delie. Celebrity gets mad. Celebrity gets mad.
gate man.
You know the gate man? How?
He's my uncle.
Chimo. Dubem.
What did you say?
When I first saw him, he warned me never to reveal his identity. That if I do, he was going to kill me. He caused the death of his own mother.
Do you know what you're saying? Hey. Are you listening to what this little girl is saying?
Honey, I'm shocked at what she's saying.
Listen, woman. Tell me the truth. Okay? Tell me exactly the truth. The accident. You're crossing my car, the accident, you coming to my house. Was it all planned up? Did you guys just planned everything?
No, sir.
So how come?
Sir, you know how I find myself here. He recently asked me to poison Auntie Edna here.
What? What are you doing with that one? Listen, you know what? I don't have time to this. Just save this. For now, I have made up my mind to get that criminal arrested. I must get Zubby arrested. Can you imagine that idiot, that bastard, is nowhere to be found in the compound. My friend just called me that he saw that idiot. He saw that bastard at the clubhouse. Can you imagine that? What? I just have to get him arrested right now. Get him arrested immediately. Nonsense.
My husband.
What?
My husband, there's something I need to tell you. I don't know how to say it, but you have to listen to me. I kept this from you since I entered this house. They're all lies. They're all lies.
Hey, listen. I will listen to whatever I have to say later. Right now, I've made up my mind to get that criminal arrested. That's the most important thing to me right now. Enough of this madness.
You have to. Not reachable. No, not now. You have to pick your. You have to pick. Finished.
Young man, you have no right to say anything here or to get to the station. Officer, move him. No, Fred, have you seen it? Didn't I warn you? I told you to investigate this guy, but you never believed me. Have you seen it now? Don't be forget. Trust your good man. Have you seen it?
tell you this for long. But my courage failed me. I've been having this issue of bedwetting for years now. All my suitors ran away because of the same condition. My family and I decided to come down to the village to know if things can turn around for me for good. But nothing changed. Everybody that came for me ran away. Your mother saw me and chose me for you. My mother and I decided to keep it a secret. We hid the secret from her till after our marriage. I promised my mother that I was going to tell you the truth. But I was so scared. Not until I saw Zubby. It happened that Zubby is from my village and he's fully aware of my condition. When Zubby found out that you're not aware of my condition, he decided to use it against me. Zubby made me do despicable things. The only thing he did not do was to ask me to sleep with him. He made me store his documents. He asked me to steal one of your documents so I can raise millions for him. He was demanding too much and I don't know where else to get the money from. So I had to sell one of your property.
What? You sold my property?
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, I was too scared. I was scared that you knowing the truth that you're going to call off the marriage. I'm sorry. When Auntie Edna found out, she advised me to tell you the truth. But I was so scared of the truth. I was so scared of telling you the truth.
Meaning, you were aware about this all this while? You were aware about this?
Master, I am sorry. I am sorry. It wasn't in my place to tell you. I begged her to tell you. She was scared. I wanted it to come from her. Let it come from the horse's mouth. I am sorry.
I'm sorry, it's not her fault. It's not her fault at all. She actually wanted to tell you, but I told her that I was going to be the one to tell you. I'm so sorry I betrayed you. I'm so sorry. When I found out that I was pregnant for you, I decided not to be giving Zubby money again. Because I couldn't stand the deceit. I couldn't stand the betrayal. You've been but a good man and a good husband to me.
I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry. Please, my husband. I'm so sorry. Please, my husband, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I'm so sorry, Micheal. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my husband, please.
It's okay. You had every opportunity of telling me the truth. You had the opportunity of trusting that I will stand by you no matter your health challenge. But you chose betrayal instead.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
We are sorry. Oh. Alright. Let me tell you this. It is something I've never told anyone in this house before. My mother knew about your health condition. She told me herself. My mother told me about your health condition. Still, I made a decision to go on with the marriage despite your condition. I believe there was help out there. I believe we could get a cure out there. I wanted you to tell me yourself. I was willing to wait till you clustered the courage of telling me the truth yourself. Which is why I overlook all the changing of bedsheet and my couch at night. I knew all along. Yes. I knew about her health challenge. I guess you didn't trust me after all. I guess you just didn't trust me enough. Stop.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to see my house.
No, I'm sorry.
In love, why did open up to him? In love, why did open up to him? And you want to win such a go back, if you love your husband, open up to him. If you love your darling, open up to him. And you want to win such a go back,
I wasn't scared of telling you. I'm sorry. I cannot live without you, so I cannot live without you. Please make that accept me like this.
How long will this continue? How long can you hide your sins? And is a boy, and during such one them on your poor cause your buyer and yellow yaka. Ige was your remiri, never chungane, oh, again, can't hide it away forever. You can't hide it, sins away. So open up to never judge. Open up to never one more. In love, why did he open up to him? In love, why did he open up to him? And you want to win such a go back. husband, open up to him. If you love your darling, open up to him. And you want to bring some chance, cha-cha. Go better, you know go.
Your wife is pregnant with your child. She doesn't deserve to be sent away.
Who are you to tell me what to do and what not? You lost that privilege the very moment you chose to betray me.
How? How? How did I betray you?
You knew the truth all this while, but chose to hide it from me. The only reason she's not in the police cell right now for selling my property was because of my unborn child.
Fred, I'm not supposed to tell you anything. Even when I tried to tell you, she pleaded with me to allow her process before telling you. She's an adult. She should know what is good and what is bad.
She wouldn't have laid hands on my property. She wouldn't have laid hands on my property and sold it if you had protected my interest.
Fred, you have to understand that I will not do anything to hurt you.
Enough! Enough of this madness already. I thought you were still the Edna I used to know. The Edna that would tell me everything. The Edna that would always watch after my back. It's obvious I was mistaken all along. You chose to betray me. You changed completely. Edna, leave my house. Leave my house and never return. I don't want to set my eyes on you again. Edna, leave my house. I do not trust you anymore. There is no point pretending.
Father, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you in any way.
Enough, Edna! I don't want to repeat myself.
Zubby.
Get out!
Hey, I can get my brother.
What's up?
I don't suffer. Since that time when they carry me, and now when they release me,
Who release you?
I didn't inside cell since. But that will not be the problem. I beg, Oga, I won't apologize to Oga. I won't tell Oga say Madam no be bad woman. No. Now me the blackmail Madam will make her begin steal Oga money to give me.
All those things are the past. Everything don't come to normal. Oga don't forgive your wife. Even I tell now we adopt child. Everything that done on all those things not the past.
So
Past are rubbish.
Oga and Madam they together everywhere good.
Everywhere balanced.
It's the Lord.
Don't
You see, Africa, my brother, I know I wronged you in the past, but forgive me. While in cell, I gave my life to Christ. Yes, I repented.
What's in that one coming?
As we speak, I am a new creature in Christ Jesus. So please, help a brother, oh?
I'll say you know the way we won't take enter this house the second chance.
No, my point is say I can't survive.
You don't survive. You still go survive, man. You don't be man. The first time when I never employ you for this, how you take the survive?
Now, adolescent stage. Don't vex now, adolescent stage. I'm not a changed person. I'm a born again now.
If I sight you, you don't like me.
The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Bakariaga. The baby celebrity gets mad. Ibu Kwamawabia. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna takasi number. Oke mwani sio. Ohama dikendi boje money. Duski lala. Chop money, spend money. Onye jego delie. Wahala no dey tire you. The baby celebrity get mad. Pretender now you do the worst. You dey chop and kill him mouth. The baby celebrity get mad. Oh. Get mad way pass oga. Even madam they fear you so. Makibu kwa mwabi. Ibu Bakariaga. Spending chop money. Onye jego delie. Akuna takasi number. Oke mwani sio. Ọmọdé kẹ́ndí bójú ẹ̀mọ́. Do skill ala. Chop money spend money. Oye Diego Nelly. Celebrity GATEMAN. Celebrity GATEMAN.